Lahat ng kailangan nyong malaman tungkol sa ultimate summer staycation ninyo, let's go! Na-experience namin ang upgraded na all-in exploration ng The Excelsior Hotel sa Las Piñas City at isishare namin sa inyo kung ano-ano ang mga dapat ninyong malaman tungkol dito. Una, rates start at 2,499 per child na 5 to 11 years old at 2,999 for guests 12 and above. Please take note na may minimum of 4 paying guests ito. Pangalawa, kapag pareho kayo sa family namin na 3 paying guest lang, pwede kayong mag-book ng room na gusto ninyo tapos i-avail niyo ang Exploration Package na plus 1,500 for 5 to 11 years old at 2,000 naman for 12 and above. Libre po ba ang 4 years old and below? Yes, free pa po. Pangatlo, ano-ano ba ang mga inclusions ng Exploration Package? Indoor activities sa 18th floor that include activity, trampoline, videoke, movie night, only selfie gallery, arcade games just to name a few, unlimited PM merienda, dinner, midnight snack, breakfast at AM merienda. At syempre, access sa kanilang courtyard activities tulad ng zipline, paddle boating, at airwheel na favorite ni Beanie. Hindi lang yan, marami pa silang bagong courtyard rides at attractions tulad ng swing tree at star spinner na favorite ni Mommy Bianca. Sina Sadie at Sage naman tuwang-tuwa sa Castle Playground at Color Wave. Panalo rin yung mga rides na super fun at exciting sa mini roller coaster, Vikings, Seesaw at Disco Swing. Sobrang nag-enjoy kaming lahat sa mas exciting at loaded sa activities na courtyard ng Excelsior Hotel. Pang-apat, hanggang March 30 lang ito so far at available Friday, Saturday, Sunday plus holidays. At pang-lima, for increase in reservations, pwede kayong mag-book via 0919-096-8355 or email nyo ang Excelsior Hotel sa reservations at theexcelsiorhotel.com.ph. Pwede rin kayong mag-book ng room gamit ang Agoda at Klook. Ito yung mga promo codes namin. Kung naghahanap kayo ng fully loaded na staycation ngayong summer, highly recommended itong all-in exploration sa Excelsior Hotel sa Las Piñas City. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time po, bye-bye!